Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Pinterest. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Pinterest app here. I'm on my iPhone. You can do these exact same steps on Android as well. And what I will do is I will tap the little plus icon at the bottom center here, and then I can choose Pin this second option. Now, this gives me photos and videos to upload at the top. I can tap where it says All Photos and select Videos here because I only want to upload a video. And I'm going to choose that video to upload. And then I'll tap the Next at the top right here. And it says I can select a frame, so I can go wherever I want to select a frame from this specific video. So I'm just going to choose what that is the frame and then hit Next at the top. Right. Similar to a picture, I can give it a title. I can say hiking on here. I can say more about the pin. I can add a link to it, but I'm just going to tap Next at the top right here, and then I don't necessarily want to tag it. I'm just going to hit Next again, and then I can choose a board that I want to put it in. I'm just going to tap on Fun here and add it to that board. Now, if I want to see that video that I just uploaded, I can tap on my profile icon at the very bottom, right? And then you can see this fun board. I'll go there, and now it has just posted this new video into this board. Currently, it's a secret board or set to private. I can always make that public at any point if I wanted other people to be able to see those videos and those photos in that specific board. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you in the next one.